everyone, welcome back. If you want to use Binance without getting locked later, this is the correct way to create your account. First, download the Binance app, head over to your app store, search for Binance, and then download the Binance app from the app store. Then open the app and then tap register or login. Then to sign up using your email or phone, enter your email, then use a strong password, and also make sure to click on the terms of use, privacy and policy, and then click register. After that, verify your email or phone using code Binance sends you. Once verified, your basic account is created. You can browse the app now, but trading and withdrawals will stay limited until identity verification is completed. Creating the account correctly from the start prevents future restrictions, so always make sure that you are putting in each step correctly, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.